The Fundamental of Sales in 11 Episodes. Episode 4: 11 Steps to Address Objections in Sales. In sales, objections are a common occurrence. They can come in many forms, such as price, product features, timing, or even trust. Addressing these objections is crucial to closing deals and building long-term customer relationships. In this article, we will discuss 11 steps to address objections in sales. 1. Listen carefully. The first step in addressing objections is to listen carefully to the customer. Let them finish speaking without interrupting. This shows that you value their opinion and are interested in what they have to say. Active listening is important because it helps you understand the customer's concerns and identify the root cause of their objection. 2. Acknowledge their concern. Once the customer has finished speaking, acknowledge their concern. This shows that you understand their point of view and are taking their objection seriously. For example, you can say, "I understand your concern about the price," or, "I can see why you would be hesitant to commit to a long-term contract." 3. Clarify their objection. Ask questions to clarify the customer's objection and to get a better understanding of their concerns. This will help you identify the root cause of their objection and provide a more effective solution. For example, you can ask, "Can you tell me more about why the price is a concern for you?" Or, "What specifically about the product features is not meeting your needs?" 4. Empathize. Show empathy towards the customer's situation and let them know that you understand how they feel. This will help build trust and rapport with the customer. For example, you can say, "I understand that the decision to invest in a new product can be overwhelming," or, "I can see how this situation is frustrating for you." 5. Provide a solution. Offer a solution to the customer's objection and explain how it addresses their concern. This is the most important step in addressing objections because it shows the customer that you have their best interests in mind and are committed to finding a solution that works for them. For example, you can say, "We offer a payment plan that can help make the price more manageable for you," or, "Our product has a feature that can address the specific need you mentioned." 6. Highlight the benefits. Explain the benefits of your solution and how it can help the customer. This will help them see the value in your product or service and make it easier for them to justify the purchase. For example, you can say, "Our payment plan can help you spread out the cost over time, making it easier to manage your budget," or, "The feature I mentioned can save you time and increase productivity." 7. Use social proof. Use social proof such as testimonials or case studies to show how your solution has helped others. This will help build trust and credibility with the customer. For example, you can say, "We have helped many customers in similar situations and they have seen great results," or, "Here is a case study of a customer who had a similar concern and how we were able to help them." 8. Address any misconceptions. Address any misconceptions the customer may have about your product or service. This will help clear up any misunderstandings and make it easier for the customer to make an informed decision. For example, you can say, "I understand that you may have heard that our product is difficult to use, but we have made significant improvements to make it more user-friendly," or, "There may be some confusion about the pricing. Let me explain how it works." 9. Be honest. Be honest and transparent about your product or service and any limitations it may have. This will help build trust with the customer and prevent any negative surprises down the road. For example, you can say, "While our product does have some limitations, we are constantly working to improve it," or, "I want to be transparent about the fact that our service may not be the best fit for everyone." 10. Ask for their feedback. Ask for the customer's feedback and if there is anything else you can do to address their concerns. This shows that you value their opinion and are committed to finding a solution that works for them. For example, you can say, "Is there anything else I can do to address your concern?" or, "Do you have any suggestions on how we can improve our product or service?" 11. Close the sale. Once you have addressed the customer's objections, ask for the sale and close the deal. This is the ultimate goal of addressing objections and is the most important step in the sales process. For example, you can say, "Based on what we have discussed, it sounds like our product is a good fit for your needs. Would you like to move forward with the purchase?" Or, "I appreciate your feedback and I think our service can help you achieve your goals." Are you ready to sign up? In conclusion, addressing objections in sales is a crucial skill that can help you close more deals and build long-term customer relationships. By following these 11 steps, you can effectively address objections and provide solutions that meet the customer's needs. Remember to listen carefully, acknowledge their concern, clarify their objection, empathize, provide a solution, highlight the benefits, use social proof, address any misconceptions, be honest, ask for their feedback, and close the sale. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 5 to 11 Steps to Create Urgency in Sales.